everybody, it's your girl Kamari and welcome back to my channel. I'm super happy for you to be joining me today.
Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine.
I'm doing a mini vlog, but today I'm stopping to do a everyday creative makeup look for you guys. Just a mini tutorial on how to do this quick look right here on how to get glowy, perfect, even skin, flawless looking skin for an everyday beat, a little quickie. This look took me less than 15 minutes, you guys. It's officially 11:30. Okay, it's officially 11:30 and I started at like 11:08 or 11:10 maybe, so it took me no time, but I'm about to be late for my appointment at 11:50, so feel free to enjoy the video. So let's quickly start this makeup, girl, and I'll list all the products down below, so don't worry about it. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with the e.l.f. putty primer because today's look is gonna be very wearable, very like everyday makeup, everyday glam. Dang, my skin looks really good right now, but stop, bro. My new skincare routine has been eating lately, and I haven't put everybody on yet to my whole new skincare routine simply because I haven't tried it out for exactly like 2 to 3 weeks yet to really see the results. But my nose, wow, my nose has been a serious problem for me like my whole life when it came to like having, like, if I did have a skin problem, it would just be my nose, like, for real. And it always gets a lot of whiteheads and a lot of blackheads on the sides and things like that. It's not noticeable for day to day, so it's not something that I really talk about, but I found, what's it called, I got the acne solution from Kiehl's, and once I got the acne solution, I was like, oh, wait a minute, this said they can get rid of my whitehead. So I decided to put it to the test on my nose, and my nose has been looking so much better. And I've also been intentionally washing it better, like way better, like making sure that I spend a little bit more time washing my nose to make sure the acne solution can do what it gotta do for your girl. So today's gonna kind of look like a no foundation almost look, you know what I mean? But it's like giving the baddie, the glow, the ooh, the bang of I don't know, full beat. I don't know, full beat, y'all. But today on the agenda today, we're gonna go get my computer fixed, okay? Because I cannot wait. My computer's been overheating, and since I'm on my YouTube girly grind, I can't possibly have my computer overheating when I needed to edit. Like, it was so frustrating even trying to get my last video up because every second I was editing and then suddenly it would overheat and I had to be like, oh dang, and so I'd have to pause for a couple hours before I could edit again, and that's like super annoying. So Apple, please today help me out and fix my computer because I really don't want this overheating mess any longer. Okay, just a little glow, just a little glow for the everyday girl, a little glow. People have been loving, and I mean loving, adoring, and admiring the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer on me lately. They've been obsessed with that. So I think in the like theme of being glowing and radiant, we're gonna continue with that. I wanted to bust out like a dope eyeshadow look, but it's literally 11:11, so we gotta hurry this shit up. Bing, 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 bing. My little sound effects are so funny. Bing, 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 bing. The problem with having a mirror right underneath my camera is I look down too much, and then I don't talk as loud as I'm supposed to be. You see, I get quieter when I look down, which is very interesting, and I don't know what that has to do. If y'all know what that means, if every time I look downward, I get quieter, like, I'm doing too much. I need to relax. I need to relax. I don't really care for contour right now. We're gonna do bronzer instead, but while we're here and looking good and feeling good, I'm trying to think what blush would go really good with this outfit, and I think a dark blush would actually go good with this outfit. I haven't pulled out this Saie blush in a while, so we're actually gonna put her right here, and we're gonna do this quick. Like, this is the quickest like little mini video you will ever have from me when it comes to makeup, girl, unless I'm late all the time. Then who knows where the year might take us. For real. Going to Apple because I've had my computer for so goddamn long and it definitely needs to be fixed like ASAP Rocky. Like, I should have got this fixed, but my grandma told me, she was like, I think it's still under the Apple Care, so like you could totally get it fixed if you want to get it fixed. And I was like, say less. And then she also told me that my great grandmother might have a desktop for me to take and use. So if I can get my desktop, if I can get an Apple desktop, that'd be even better for me for editing. Then I want to do it on my computer so much I can do graphics and stuff on my computer instead, and do TikTok stuff on my computer, and then do my main YouTube and uploading to there, because I had to buy like a USB to like really keep all my videos and storage and stuff and check on my Apple computer because it was overheating so much. I thought it had to be the storage. It's not the storage, girl. So there's that. My sister usually comes over on the weekends, you guys, and she didn't come over this weekend, so like I have a free weekend. And I was like, okay, like wow, this is like pretty interesting that I'm really like this free right now. I'm usually never this goddamn free. I'm excited to be, you know, be able to run a couple errands today. I haven't eaten anything and I need to. I'm gonna lose my energy if I don't eat something, and that's like my default. If you guys ever notice like you're feeling down or just like sad or whatever, like don't just eat. That's not what I'm trying to say, but I'm saying like if you notice you haven't eaten, that might be a bigger factor to why you're down. And if you haven't drank any water, because I know I haven't drank any water today either, and I exercised and didn't drink any water, so that's bad. And I exercised and didn't eat, so that's also very bad. Do not do that, okay? Learn from my mistakes. So I'm gonna take this Saie blush and I'm gonna blend it out right now, get it nice and cute. So we might be checking out a new Ulta today. If you haven't checked out the vlog, go ahead and check the vlog out. You can watch it after watching this video if you like, or you can check it out in the middle of this video. I'll put it up in the little card thing right here. But yeah, because the vlog today is gonna be lit. I have a couple of errands I'm really running today, going around doing a couple of things, and then getting this mug and this beat to look phenomenal. If you're a blush on your nose type of girl, let me know. Let me know. All right, 11:16, you guys. We are making good time. We are making great time. We are making great time. We are making great time because I don't want to be late. You know what I mean? When I was a kid, I hated how late my parents were to stuff. Like, that shit would piss me off. I hated how late my parents were to everything. That shit always made me mad. So when I got older, I decided I wouldn't be late to everything and anything. And I'm late sometimes to things, but it'll be for like a very valid reason. Not just because I'm procrastinating. Like, that shit irks me, but whatever. No point in doing all that right now. Drying off my eyelids. I'd cut these little circles to do a look with, and now I'm like, okay, no, we don't got time for that. we just don't have time for that. Where's the one size powder? Like I told y'all before, I can't stand the packaging. I tap it every time too. It's so funny. I can't stand the packaging, but the powder is good. The powder is good. It does slay the girls away. And now that we set with setting spray too on top of it, like, it's gonna look good. Now I don't like to look too powdery on the days that I go out for real, but right now we're rushing. And honestly, I'm also one of those people too, I don't feel like it's a requirement to wear makeup when you go out, or even a requirement to wear makeup when you're vlogging and being on YouTube and stuff like that, or being on the internet and having your internet presence. For any of you guys who are content creators as well, I don't believe in like you need to have it, you know what I'm saying? But I do believe in the fact that if you are feeling like you want to dress up and wear, you know, your best and do your best and do whatever you can to make yourself feel good before going out, you know what I mean? If it helps you, do it. That's how I feel. So for me, I get a little anxious and I like to wear makeup. It is what it is. Makeup doesn't make me feel less anxious. It's just I got to take time for myself before going out, so I feel calm. I feel like more centered almost, and a little more confident to be able to do what I want to do for the rest of the day. And now I look really nice. Like, I look good. I look good beforehand, but now I look cute. Rub off this powder. And the rest of the face just looks kind of glowy almost. Like, you see that? Like, it just looks glowy. My bronzer palette from Juvias Place. We're going to take that bad boy and we're just going to bronze out my forehead real quick. We're making good time, actually. So this is actually a look I do when I'm in a rush. It's literally just consists of concealer, a thin layer of what would be seemingly foundation, but I did the liquid filter by the e.l.f. Halo Glow instead, and then chisel it up with the bronzer and call it a day. You know what I mean? Bronzer does a lot for the eye. Let me tell you, girl, bronzer does a lot for the eye. Like, especially the nose. Like, you just go in there and just gently chisel the nose again. Add definition where the concealer took it away. And you're golden, babe. Like, you're literally golden. Like, really keep it. And then all you need next for real, if you wanted to stop here, you totally can, but you could absolutely add highlighter at this point and call it a day. Smooth under eye, flawless skin. You look great. You look perfect. I love it. I love it. I love it. Add a little bit of highlighter to the look. Oh yes, and that's what I also need to grab while I'm out today, you guys, is brush cleaner, because all my brushes right now are low-key dirty. And sorry, that's real makeup guru things, because all the plethora of brushes I have, for me to have so many and for all of them to get dirty, it means I'm busting my ass off, and that means I'm working my butt off. So I don't mind. I don't mind. Yeah. highlighter. But I'm still shaking ass in the deli. I don't really put highlighter on my cheeks anymore. Is that even still a thing? For like, I personally do not like highlighter on my cheeks anymore. It can be cute, but I've been gravitating away from it for a while now, and I just gotta be for real. And honest about it, you guys. Oh my goodness. Actually, let's talk about it in this video real quick while everything's going on. So I've been feeling some type of way about the fact that Lizzo and Doja Cat and, you know, Daniel Caesar and all these artists are getting canceled, you know what I mean? Because they're making bad decisions of their own, so they deserve to be canceled in their own ways. It's just scary to think that, you know, sexually harassing people, allowing her coworkers to sexually harass people. Like, to think, what if that body positivity mindset only really extended to herself and didn't extend to anybody else? You know what I mean? That's scary. I mean, I want to trust the people that I'm putting my faith into. Like, I want to trust those people, so it bummed me out to really think that she's treating people like that. Like, that really fucking sucks. So I am still gonna go in with the circle because yeah, I don't have any time, but I'm still gonna do this like a goober. And I think I'm just gonna put it, actually I'm gonna put it right in the center of my eye. Right in the center of my eye, and then I'm gonna grab just a little shimmer shade. Making a thumbnail. I'm gonna put purple on my eye. Never mind. Decided I want purple on my eye. There's a little shimmer to go a long way, my God. Take it off and leave a hole in the middle of your eye. That's okay, because you're putting shimmer around it anyway. Putting shimmer around it anyway. Shimmer around it anyway. Shimmer around it anyway. Shimmer around it anyway. Okay, so that was a whole ballad that I just made specifically for y'all. Please appreciate it. And so I'm gonna take a matte purple and I'm actually gonna pop that in the middle. And that'll be my creative eye look for today. See, the one thing I will always love about makeup is how free I get to do whatever I want. I get to do whatever I want. People may not understand this when they look at it, and that's okay. That is literally okay. I don't want to be everybody's cup of tea. In fact, I don't want to be a select group of people's cup of tea. In fact, I only want to be the cup of tea for people who I love unconditionally and they love me back unconditionally. And then for today, I just want to do a little simple lip combo with the One Strangers by Urban Decay liquid lipstick. Shade One Strangers, Urban Decay, cute. And then I'm going in with the Fenty cream lipstick in Mauve Vibes to go with the purple theme on my eyes. Oh, very pretty. Actually, I'm gonna take that with me. And then, if you really want to look extra flawless, you can always take the Charlotte Tilbury Damn. I gotta go. So then take the Charlotte Tilbury and just go underneath your eye and press. If you want extra flawless, you know, smooth under eye, that's what I suggest doing, just so you look extra bam. But you will have to set your face again, so that's why it's like a... But yeah, you guys, this is the quick little 20-minute B, little 15-minute B for real. Mascara silly. Now, I don't know the tea on MAC. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I don't know what's going on. I don't know the tea on MAC anymore. I used to be in the loop of MAC, but I got this free mascara from them, and I definitely want to see what the girls is talking about, because I heard it was really good actually, and it's waterproof, and I like that. I doubt it'll cry today, but yeah, it looks really good. Actually, it looks really good. Okay guys, so it's officially 11:28. Your girl is running late. Oh no! Does anybody else tilt their head when they're doing their mascara? Like, do you tilt your head? Alright, period, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the look today. I would love to know your opinion about it. And also let me know what products you guys are enjoying right now. What's your favorite thing for your go-to makeup? If you just have to grab one product and run out and leave with it, what would it be? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm super curious. But thank you guys so much for staying and watching this tutorial for a creative everyday makeup look. I love you guys. Peace out. See you in the next video. And don't forget to check out the vlog video right here. Right here, right here. Right here, right here.